Hi, good morning, friends. Yesterday, we have started solving puzzle 1 by method 2. Because it is very lengthy process, so we are going step by step and by part by part. We cannot do it in a single part. So, yesterday we have done it in part 1. We have solved up to some cells. Now, today we are taking up part 2. Let us take up this this column C7. Of course, C7 already many columns are filled up. So let us take up this one. See, this comes under box. This let us take up R3 C7 cell R3 C7. So column C box. Oh, this will come under box 3. So B3. What are all the numbers that are present? 6, 8, 7. 6, 8 and 7. Column C7. Number 6, 7, 3, 5, 9, 8. Because many cells are already filled up. So we have taken that one. C7, 6, 7, 3, 5, 9, 8. Okay. And now it will come under row R3. R3, what are the numbers? 8, 4 and 1. So let us see. 1 is there, 2 is not there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9 is there. So missing number is 2. So this cell R3C7 becomes 2. Let us fill 2 here. Now this column of course this column C7, many numbers are already appearing. So let us take up continued. C7 means again in the box another number is added. Okay, 2 is added here in the box, and this is it will let us come to this cell. This is R2C7 cell. R2C7. So let us take row R2. See, of course, C7 another number is added. C7 another number is added now 2. So row R2. R2 is 6, 1, 8 and 7. So let us see. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is not there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there, 9. So missing number is 4. So R2C7 becomes 4. Let us write 4 here. Now see, in this box many cells have been filled up. Now let us fill up the other boxes. This let us take up C7. Many cells have been completed. Let us go to C8. Column C8. What are all the numbers present? 8, 2, 9, 6, 5, 7. 8, 2, 9, 6, 5, 7. Okay. Now let us come to this row R3. What are all the numbers present? 8, 4, 1 and 2. Row R3. Column C8. Box B. B3. What are all the numbers? 6, 4, 8, 7 and 2. Let us see what are the missing numbers. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 nowhere is there. Missing number is 3. So cell, it will come here, cell R3C8. R3C8 becomes 3. Let us write 3 here. Now, so almost many cells have been already filled up. So in C8, what is, let us see, C8, this is another number has been added, 3. C8 number has been added, C8, 3. Similarly, in the box also, another number has been added, 3. Now, see this cell we have to filter. This is R1C8. R1C8. Take R1C8. So, what are the numbers present? Sorry, R1C8 cell must be filled up. So, R1 is 2 and 6. 2 and 6. So, C8. Of course, already we are having C8, we have written. Okay, already. Now, R1 C8. Box 6, 4, 8, 7, 2 and 3. So let us see what is the missing number. It started with 2. So 1 is the missing number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 is the missing number. Let us fill 1 here. Friends, now let us see this column C8 is all, column C7 and column C8 are almost only except one cell, everything is filled up. So let us come to column C7. Let us take up this cell. This is in the box 9. So let us take up this cell. It is R9C7. R9C7. So box, this will come under box 9, B9. What are the numbers present? 9, 5, 8, 7 and 3 in the box. So this will R9 C7, okay. Let us take up column C7. Column C7, what are the numbers? 6, 4, 2, 7, 3, 5, 9 and 8. So only one number is missing. Big box is there, C7, and okay, row R9. 2 and 3 only are present. 2 and 3 are only present. Now let us see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 1 is missing. So let us fill it up 1 here. Now, let us take up this cell in the row R9, because in C8 only one column is, one cell is left over. Let us fill out that also. So now, C8. This is cell is R9C8. R9C8. We have to fill it up. So this is related to C8. Let us write C8. What are the numbers? 1, 8, 3, 2, 9, 6, 5 and 7. 1, 8, 3, 2, 9, 6, 5, 7. Okay. That is C8. Box B9. 9, 5, 8, 7. Now 1 has been added, 3. Okay. B9. Now this is column R9. R9, 2, 1, 3. Here also one number is being added, 2 and 3. Now let us see, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there. 3 is there. Now 4 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 4 is missing. Let us write 4 here. Friends, now this column C7 is completed. Column C7, column C8. C8 are completed. Now let us see where maximum numbers have been filled up. Okay, 16, 17, okay. Okay, this is 9, okay. Let us come to this. Now box 1 also about 5. Well, let us take box 1. Friends, let us take a box 1 and see, come to this, let us see this cell R2C1, cell R2C1, got to filter. So box 1, it is in box 1, B1. What are the numbers? 2, 6, 1, 4 and 8. 2, 6, 1, 4, 8. So row R2C1 will rise in row R2. R2, what are the numbers? 6, 1, 6, 1, 4 and 8 and 7. And column C1, C1, what are the numbers? 2, 3, 9 and 1. Let us see what is the missing. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there. So 5 is missing number. So R2C1 becomes 5. So this becomes 5. Okay. Now let us come to in this box. So another number has been added in the box. 8, 4, 5 has been added. Okay. Let us see this cell R3C1. Cell R3C1. R3C1. So box is already having 2, 6, 1, 8, 4, 5. Okay, and C1. C1, no, another number has been added. 2, 5, 5 has been added. Okay, 2, 5, 3. R3. Now R3 we have to take. Row R3. What are the numbers? R3. 8, 4, 1, 2 and 3. See what is the missing number? 1, 2, 3. 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 8 and 9, 7 is the missing number. So 7 is, let us take 7, fill it up here 7. So 19, okay, 7. Now see, in this cell many columns have been already filled up. Let us take up. See, and moreover in this box also many columns have been filled up. Many cells have been filled up. This is box 4. What are the numbers? 3, 1, 5, 2, 9, 4 and 8. Now let us take up this C1, cell R5C1. R5C1. We have to fill it up. Now what are the numbers in C1? C1 count 2, 5, 7, 3, 9 and 1. And this row R5. R5 also has got many cells filled up. So okay, R5, row R5, 2, 5, 1, 8, 3, 9 and 4. So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there. 7 is okay. 6 is the missing number. Let us fill up 6 here. Now in this box only one cell is being left out, and moreover in the row also R5 one cell has been left out. So let us, in the box another number has been added, 8. 6 has been added. Okay, and also row R5 another here also 6 has been added. Now this is R5 C3, column C3. Let us take C3, column C3. C3 1, 4, 5, 8 and 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9 is okay. Missing number is 7. Let us fill it up 7 here. So this box has been box B4 is completed. Now friends, 27 is already over. Now see, in these columns C2 and C3 have to be filled up because they have got many numbers. So let us come to box. This is the R1 C2. Let us take up R1 C2. Cell R1 C2. It is in box 1. What are the numbers present? 2, 5, 6, 1, 7, 8 and 4. So column C2, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 3. Okay. Now this row R2, sorry, row R1. R1 is 2, 6 and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is the missing number. Let us write 9 here. So in this box only one cell is empty. Let us fill it up that also. This is R1 C3. Cell R1 C3. So box already another number has been added. 9 has been added. Box 1 and column C3. Now let us take column C3. 1, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 2. Column C3. Row R1. R1 is 2, 9, 6 and 1. 1, 2, 3 is the missing number. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 3 is the missing number. Let us write 3 here. So, see friends, let us see these columns almost, let us see this column 1, 2, 3, okay. Let us come to this column C3. Column C3, only 2 cells are left over. So, C3, what are all the numbers? 3, 1, 4, 5, 7, 8 and 2. So this is box 7. Box 7. What are the numbers? 1, 3 and 2. Let us take row R7. What are the numbers? 1, 9, 5. 9, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is the missing number. 6 is not there. 7, 8, 9. Okay. 6 is the missing number. Six is the missing number. Okay. See, almost column C3 is almost completed. Only one cell is left over. So another number is added in C3. That is 6. Box also 6 has been added. Now row R8. R8 1, 3, 1, 3, 8 and 7. Cell is R8 C3. See, 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there, 7 is there, 8 is there. Missing number is 9 only. So let us write 9 here. So this column C3 is also completed. C3 completed. Friends, now let us take up C1. This is also almost completed. So these two cells are comes under C1. Let us take, this is box 7, B7. What are the numbers? 1, 3, 6, 9 and 2 in the box B7, and column C1. What are the numbers? 2, 5, 7, 3, 6, 9 and 1. Let us take this row R9. R9. 2, 2, 1, 4 and 3. Let us see what is the missing number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is not there. So let us fill it up with 8. Friends, let us take up the, see, in C1 column is almost only one cell is left over. Let us fill it up that one. That is R7C1. Cell R7C1. So C1 is 2, 5, 7, 3, 6, 9, 1 and 8. C1. R7 is 6, 1, 9 and 5. Box B7, 1, 3, 6, 9, 2 and 8. 1, 3, 6, okay. 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 5 is there, 6 is, okay. Missing number is 4. Let us write 4 here. Friends, let us stop it here. Let us continue it in the next part. Thank you.